All right, check it out. We got my 2003 Ford Range over here in the shop. It's got 169K on it. And we're going to give this thing a nice little makeover. Everybody uses it around the shop, dropping off wheels and tires, taking out the trash, pretty much everything. And I also use it to go dirt biking on the weekend, so I drive it pretty hard. So first things first, we're going to put some Royal Purple HMX in this thing and give it a fresh little oil change. And I'm sure we'll appreciate that because it's been a while since it's had one. So let's kick this thing off with none other than Royal Purple.
Any client ever using it? I don't understand how the clutch still works in it. It's been abused way too much. Dylan clutch kicks it all the time. Kegel burned it a little bit a couple times. I probably burned it a couple times. It's been jump, burnouts, donuts, everything. Somehow it still works. So I think it's gonna stay in the stables as the workhorse. And now it's time to just make this thing a little bit nicer.
How we doing? What is it? What is it again?
H7.
H7. Carolyn 7. That's so cool. It's not the best. Hey, flicking noise.
Here she is.
Hello, we going? I mean, I guess if you already told them we're going to here.
Well, I mean, I guess you could always change it on that level.
Just trying to think of what would look the best, you know?
Top of the bed with.
Because then you don't really have to worry about like, you know, stuff could be on there, dude. We could add a headache rack to it. It's not going to chafe it up.
Well, the going over or under, I can't recall.
You talking about over the?
Yeah, over the rails.
I don't know. We were actually just talking about that a second ago.
Okay.
What do you usually recommend?
It depends on how it's being used, right? So if it's like always going to get stuff loaded over, like if it's going to see the same lifestyle that this has seen to this point, then yeah, I would say go over.
Okay.
But if it's going to be, you know, repainted and babied, then under the rail, I think is a better look. Like, you know, you don't have the liner coming out, break a main line.
Okay. I think going over the top, honestly, just because I use this for like dirt biking.
Okay.
So like I'm always like throwing my shovel in the back, and then like especially this right here, I put my ramp up. Like when the tail gets down, I put my ramp up against the edge.
Sure. Yeah.
So I just really think like, just I don't know. I just think around the top would be better.
Okay. We'll just run one line across and it'll match up to the back. No problem.
Cool. What do you think? Is it a Hummer?
I think
it's
so.
a Hummer. I don't know
Really?
why. I don't know why. I'm just feeling that.
I feel like it's gonna be, dude, I don't even know. I literally have no idea.
That thing is blasted.
It's fully right
Blasted.
on.
Dude, it looks good.
Yeah.
Like it's nice and consistent. I feel like whenever everybody does it themselves, it's like you can see like the lines and everything in it, you know?
And there's like textural differences. Yeah, this is not the easiest thing, but
Dude, I'll bet.
take time, you know. Took the grill off, sprayed it separate, put it back on.
Dude, that is so cool. I like it though, looks good.
Yeah.
I don't really know exactly what's going on here, but apparently you can't get these door handles off unless you drill this rivet out, so it seems. So that's what I'm doing.
Nice.
Yeah.
Are you excited for this?
I am excited for this. I don't understand what you're doing over here, but what's happening over here? Holy. Yeah. You have to drill that off of there? As far as I can tell. Did you watch a YouTube video? I watched a YouTube video on how to get the door panel off, not how to get the door handle off.
The paint's not so good. It feels like sandpaper. It's like, it looks like it sat next to a place where they make brake pads all day, every day. Which is exactly what happened.
So it's got like this really incredibly rough surface to it. We don't really know if it's wise to wrap over that, because then the wrap might not stick or might look like, I don't know. The clay bar worked really well. The hood is feeling much better, and pretty much all the horizontal surfaces had like rust on them. So I clay barred just about the entire truck, and it's way better now.
Nice.
So now the wrap actually starts, but I'm just trying to take everything off that I can.
Wait, you already started it. It's right there. With the gray cop
You
car
see the
door.
bedside I did? Bedside looks
No,
sick.
bedside. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks super sick A's.
Project number 1 over here. Yeah. Project number 2 over here. Project number 3 over here. And imagine that. This is not a project anymore. Right here.
Dang it.
Down with it?
I'm down with it, dude. Look at this dude. This dude's a freaking weapon. Like, that was non-sprayed on top of the gray. Like, he made that line fit. Perfect.
Look at that right there. See? Ready for this? See if we can. Oh, that is next level right there. Look at that.
What do you call that tool?
It's the
Crevisator?
I was gonna say the Extendo Squeegeo, but that's pretty good too.
Crevisator's a good one.
I like the Crevisator.
How cool are those?
Dude, these are freaking sick. Look at these.
Look at the old.
Oh,
Look
wait.
at the new.
Wait here. Yeah, this one right here. Definitely necessary. Get a wrap, get some headlights, LS swap. So as you can see, our tailgate here has one strap, but it seems to be missing another. So it looks like what we got here, we got ourselves an, ooh, we got 2 straps. I thought there was only gonna be 1. So this one is, oh, that one needs a bolt. I didn't know that. Oh, we're just trying to get these things back on here. Turns out they were screwed in, so I had to go on the inside, take the headliner out, get some bolts on the backside here, just to put these guys back in.
We gonna steel it these?
Yeah. Gonna hit them with some Steel It Black. Nothing but the best. We love Steel It so much that we're gonna put it on the plastic part of the bumper as well.
What?
So actually, I'm curious to see what
Steel it for a plastic bumper?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It doesn't necessarily say on here, but we're gonna see how it works.